What if I told you the way you've been taught to study, cramming, highlighting, grinding for hours, isn't just inefficient, but actually designed to hold you back? Sounds wild, right? But stick with me because there's a brain hack backed by science that can make you learn faster, remember longer, and even enjoy the process. And schools don't want you to know about it because once you do, the old way of learning starts to look, well, almost pointless. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever sat at your desk staring at a page, feeling like your brain is nowhere to be found? You start to wonder, am I just slow? Am I easily distracted? But what if you've just been using the wrong part of your brain at the wrong time? By the end of this video, you'll have 5 strategies that almost nobody uses because nobody ever explained how your brain truly works. And once you get it, you'll never look at learning the same way again. Let's start with a secret almost nobody talks about. Your brain isn't a machine that runs at one speed all day. It's more like a radio tuning into different frequencies, each one unlocking a different superpower. Most people are stuck in beta mode. That's the stressed, logical, overthinking state you slip into before a big test or when you're doom scrolling, desperately trying to focus. Beta focus is what we're told is good. But here's the thing, beta is shallow, it's short term. It's like trying to fill a leaky bucket. You pour in information, but almost all of it drains away. But then there's alpha. Ever notice how your best ideas come in the shower or while you're out for a walk? That's alpha, relaxed, alert, creative. It's the gateway to flow, the state where learning feels effortless, where dots connect themselves, where you remember more by doing less. In alpha, your brain isn't just memorizing, it's integrating, making new connections, and even regulating your emotions. But the real game changer? Theta, the forbidden frequency. It's the twilight zone your mind enters right before sleep and just as you wake up. In theta, your brain is a sponge, soaking up knowledge, rewiring itself, and locking in new skills for the long haul. Elite athletes, monks, even secret agencies have used theta to learn faster, build habits, and tap into intuition. So, why has no one ever taught you how to use it? Because when you can access theta, you don't need to grind for hours. You just need the right timing and a little intention. Here's how you do it: catch the wave, notice those moments right before you drift off, or as you're waking up. That's theta. Meditation, gentle movement, and even daydreaming all happen in this powerful state. Shape your environment. Ditch the blue light, skip the caffeine, slow your breathing, put on gentle, repetitive music. Let your mind wander. That's when the magic happens. Use subliminals? Yes, subliminal audio. The same technique advertisers once used to plant ideas in your mind. Now, you can use it to plant your own beliefs, learn new concepts, and prime your subconscious for what matters most. Trust the process. The most powerful learning doesn't happen when you force it. It happens when your inner state matches the knowledge you want to absorb. Nightly ritual. Tonight, instead of pushing harder, try this. Breathe slow. Review something important just before sleep. Play audio in the background as you drift off. Let your brain do what it was made to do: learn, integrate, transform. Because let's be honest, you're not a robot. You just haven't been taught to learn like a human. So tonight, give yourself permission to learn differently. And tomorrow, wake up to a mind that's not just smarter, but freer. Because when you stop learning like everyone else and start learning like yourself, everything changes.